You're not in it for the speed. No fancy SSD, no crazy overclocking. No, I know you. What you need is storage. Plenty of it. You don't care about performance. All that's important to you is that TB to USD ratio. I'll tell you what, hammer, chisel, old HDD, it's gonna get you where you wanna be. You might have heard of fragmentation, yeah? In the old days, you had to manually defragment your hard drive. Why is that? We gave the user a choice between speed and storage. A smooth, fast, organized drive just doesn't have the capacity of a fragmented drive. But that here is an easy fix. Wipe down those platters in preparation. Wipe them good. Grab that nice chisel of yours. Set it down on that fresh platter. Take that hammer. Hammer. Let those fragments fly. Surface area, that's what we're looking for. Keep at it until all you got are fragments. Yeah, that's good. Now, you gotta gather that refined data. The smaller, the dustier, the better. Good stuff right here. Good stuff right here. Put it all back in. All of it. Seal it up. And we're just about ready. A little bit of electrical tape. Because this is electronical stuff. And there you go. What once was a 0.5 tera drive is now an 8 tera drive. Now if you're telling me these aren't real results, I don't know what to tell you. Just make sure to have a good day. Good day to you. Bye-bye.